I'm Callie.
And I'm Stephen.
And we're taking a road trip around Jamaica.
This time with baby Nyla. Come with us.
How would you like to take a look at some of the yachts on our dock?
Oh, we'd love
Okay.
to do that.
Come on, we'll take a run down there and you can see what we have.
Great.
Right.
Thanks.
This is the rudder. I'm gonna go outside
Okay.
and show how we set it up.
Something very manly about this setup right here.
You want the rod into that hand. Put on a bait like this way,
Huh.
and then hook it back on here. And this is a bait.
Wow, that is a big bait.
Can you really catch anything with that?
Can't tell even marlin with it. Really.
Oh, fishy, fishy, fishy.
Oh, so it has some weight to it then.
Yeah.
Do you want to do fishing now?
And then to release, how do I release?
To release, like fly back that way.
Press that button. And it releases. So I can imagine if you have 300 pounds, over 300 pounds on
You can
this,
carry it with it.
you're gonna have to be going like this.
Working. If the marlin is like this length, you can carry it in.
That
Okay.
length?
Yeah, it's over 300. When it's smaller than this length, you cannot carry it in. This is the hook. You're gonna hook him with her, like in his throat, to hold him firm, and then everybody gonna go and carry it in.
Okay.
So it's a very sharp hook.
Oh wow.
Real sharp.
So that pierces him through the
Right.
neck, and you just draw him in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very cool.
Look lovely. Ah, very nice. Now let's roll you in the water.
No. Oh, hey, honey, can we check out here before we go? Things Jamaican?
Yeah, let's see what's next.
Wow,
Hi,
good
good morning.
Good.
Hi.
Things Jamaican. How are
Good
you?
morning, welcome to Things Jamaican.
Thank you.
Everything is authentic Jamaican and priced in Jamaican dollars.
Everything
In the store
created
is
here?
made in Jamaica.
Oh, very cool.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Oh, honey, look at these little dolls.
Nyla would like one of
We
those,
left
huh?
Nyla in the car, and she, oh, honey.
That is Miss Pinky.
Aw.
It's actually made from one of our artisans in St. Thomas.
Okay.
Yes.
Really? And you know what's funny? Nyla has on an outfit exactly like this today.
Fabulous, perfect.
This is what we need for the duration of our trip. How to speak Jamaican. #1 national bestseller. Let's take a look at some of these in here. So this is oh, already.
Do you DVD have it?
Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you.
How about
Orange.
Orange.
oh, like an orange.
Like an orange. So it gives you the explanation. It's a citrus fruit known in overdeveloped countries as an orange.
Oh, so
But in
it's,
Jamaica, you just say orange.
it's like a tweak on the English.
Right.
It's
Okay.
almost like he cut it
It's our
short. Like
patois.
that. Ah.
There's a little bit of English.
No.
Little bit of
Oh.
African.
Now what's this? Erie.
We know that one.
Irie.
Irie, like Irie.
We've heard a lot of people say
Exactly.
that. It's okay.
Irie. It's okay.
It's first class, or that is excellent.
Excellent. Everything
Alright.
is Irie.
Oh, all right, great. I think we're gonna get this.
Definitely gonna purchase that book.
And the doll.
This is interesting.
This is bandana.
Okay.
This is our national dress.
Oh,
So we
really?
use it for festivals and any Jamaica cultural event. You find that people wear this. On Jamaica Day in schools,
Really?
we have for children as well. And the children actually dress in their bandana outfits to go to school on Jamaica Day. This is Jamaican Island Spice Cologne.
Oh,
It's made
is that
here
the-
on the island too. We have a series of cologne.
Do I need it?
Honey, let me
This one is very nice.
see.
Jamaica.
Jamaica
reggae
reggae
with a French accent.
Very
Because of
nice.
course, you know, we are out of many one people. We have
Very
cultures.
nice.
What's this?
This is a tea light candle holder. So you
Oh, cool.
insert your tea light candle in here, but then it's embedded around gel
The Jamaican
liquid.
beach.
And it's just something that is depicting Jamaica and our island and our beach. More like sea life.
Yeah.
Cover has
So it's
shells.
very,
Are
and the
those
color
shells
for her
Jamaican?
shells. Everything is Jamaican.
Wow. Thank
Well, thank you. Aqua will check you out.
Okay.
Your total is $1,585 Jamaican.
Great. I think I have enough here.
We
Distracted
would
to play.
love you to sign out this book.
Yeah.
What's the guest book, Aqua?
This will be right here. And this one is
Oh,
made from
that's-
banana leaf by one of our suppliers.
Wow.
cool.
Yes. This is a piece of burlap. This is a little piece of bamboo. But the covering is actually from the banana fiber paper.
Nice.
Very cool.
And it's also one of the processes that was developed in Jamaica Business Development Corporation.
So right up for all
JBDC.
three of us, honey.
Yes, please. Just to repeat, to let you know that things Jamaican.
Yes.
And these products that we have in here again, authentic Jamaican.
There you go.
And all products
very much
of
for
our
shopping.
clients at JBDC.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Keep doing what you do and
Thank you. And it was so nice to see you. Nice to meet you
Likewise.
guys. Enjoy the rest of your trip.
We have to go raft on the Rio Grande. That's what's next.
Wow. You guys are going to enjoy that. Good to see you. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Do enjoy the rest of Thank your you trip. so
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Portland. I'm gonna give her a surprise.